Hey guys, digital tutorials here. Today I'm gonna show you how to add a GIF or a video as your profile picture on TikTok. For this you have to tap on your profile and go for the edit option right here. Click on it and there will be an option change photo or change video. For this you have to change video. Click on change video button and then change video and then tap on the desired video or a GIF to upload. We have to wait for opening the videos. Come on, dude. Okay, here we have some videos. So I'm gonna upload like this video for my profile picture or a GIF as profile picture. You can select seconds, 6 seconds or more seconds for a video as your profile picture, and you can drag it like this and use it by tapping on save button. The video will be processed and then upload. That's so simple. The video or a GIF has been uploaded as a profile video. You can watch it on your profile. So I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel Digital Tutorials. See you in the next one.